In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a meeting link to your chat widget so visitors can instantly book a call with you straight from your website. This is a simple but powerful tweak that can dramatically increase conversions, especially if you want to turn conversations into scheduled calls without back-and-forth emails. Whether you're using this for sales, support, or client onboarding, this step only takes a few minutes to set up. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future software walkthroughs. Now, let's jump right in. First, you need to go to your Chatflows area inside your platform. Navigate to Service and then click on Chatflows. This is where all of your chat widgets and automated chat experiences are managed. Once you're inside Chatflows, you have two options. You can either click Create Chatflow if you're building a new chat from scratch, or you can edit an existing chat flow if you already have one live on your website. If you're editing an existing one, just locate it in the list and click to open it. After opening your chat flow, the next step is to find the section where your initial message appears. Look for something labeled Chat Greeting or Welcome Message. This is the very first message visitors see when the chat widget loads on your site. Since this is prime visibility space, it's the perfect place to add your meeting link. Click into that greeting message so you can edit the text. Now you're going to add a short line inviting visitors to book a call. For example, you can type something like, "Prefer to book a call? Click here," and then paste your meeting link directly after that text. If you're using HubSpot meetings, your link will typically look like https://meetings.hubspot.com/yourname. But make sure you replace your name with your actual meeting URL. Keep the wording clear and simple. The goal is to give visitors an immediate option to schedule time with you if they'd rather talk than chat. Make sure the full link is included and formatted correctly so it's clickable. In most cases, the system will automatically detect it as a hyperlink. If there's an option to test the message preview, use it to confirm the link appears correctly inside the chat widget. Once you've added your meeting link and reviewed the message, the final step is to click Save. This is important. If you navigate away without saving, your changes won't go live. After saving, your updated greeting will now display in the chat widget on your website. Visitors will immediately see the option to book a call as soon as they open the chat. And that's it. You've successfully added a meeting link to your chat widget, making it easier than ever for prospects or customers to schedule time with you directly. This small adjustment can significantly streamline your sales process and improve response times. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.